Alright guys, here we are at the thought I rumbled, but maybe it's my mom's car. Here out at the Fosterville Road crossing near Belbical, Tennessee. Just wanted to show something. Over here I found something interesting. It seems to be the old post for the old signal. Cause like over here there's a concrete foundation right there, but look over here. This might be an entire post for when the old crossbar used to stand here. Look at that. See, it goes, starts right there, ends right here. And if I'm thinking right, that is the old post for the railroad crossing, where the old railroad crossing used to stand here. So I think they got rid of the crossbar and stored it over here. Unless they split. Here's also a pole right here too. Let me try to look under here. What is this? Ow. Nah, that's not. Maybe it was an old dot tag or something. Some more. That's beer can. That's paper. That was a train, huh? Is that a train? I don't think it is. And that's right there is part of the crossbuck. Here, another piece of wood right here. Unless these are part of the merchant information over here. No, that's not. Okay, that's about all I want to show here. Just like track doing trains coming. I'm not seeing anything else over here. I have to. Quickly check. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything over here. You know what that thing is? Some concrete. Yeah, but that looks to be about all I could see. Just where I believe where the old railroad crossing used to stand. And they just stored it in this corner over here. Here's the cross. Here's the corner they stored it in. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Try to get an overview in this video. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Peace.